Mm. Hello guys, so today we're playing Granny. So this is June 14, 2026 because when I'm aging I'm gonna upset. What anyways guys, just wanna see more videos so channel. Just what the hell? You're scaring me guys. Wait, where did I get up? Okay, let me put bro stop talking or else I'm gonna be mad. Stop talking. I'm gonna load or else I'm going to shoot you. Otherwise, I'm gonna beat this game, but they won, anyways, how's this recording? Oh, is this real? Wait, what's that? What? How did Bro, bro, what the fuck? What the hell? The scariest one. Come on. No, I won't upset. You're scaring. Bro, you got to be careful. Okay, day one. Wait, is this normal? Oh, wait, this the normal. Okay, I'm gonna do like same. Wow, they updated the new one. Okay, wait for the granny to calm down. That's the new updates. Okay, let's wait. Don't sneak. Oh, oh, what are they? Bro, stop. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Come on, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, oh, look at me. Granny. Wait, wait. Did Granny can, she can, oh, don't, don't kill me. Okay, let's try the one no, she can, see me. She can go, oh my god, this the newest, please, please. Oh, wait, how did she can, she can go to upstairs. No, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. Bro, you kill me. How dare you? How dare you? You scared me. Now I get an ad. Wait, there's no ad. How dare you? Bro, you scare me. You know what? I'm gonna beat this game. How should we? Oh, we have to leave this house. Bro, this does most, untalented, ever. What the hell is wrong with you, Granny? Tell me the truth or else. What the hell is wrong with you? Bro, I can't even. Oh, okay. How did she can, let's go, no, no, go, go. Oh, what's this? Oh, they won't even, it's the gravity that hey, do like this, but, it's nothing. Anyways, let's go continue, guys. Anyways, if you want to see more videos, watch every day, also, I'm from Philippines, but anyways. Because I will upload my other channel. It's called Kung Fu Panda. Before this, the Japanese. What's this? A teddy bear? I haven't seen a teddy bear before. Can I get it? Is she slow or fast? Let me know in the comments. Is she slow or fast? No, I can't. What we do like now? Oh, okay. Wait, what's this? Oh, I need a weapon. Key. No! Stop! Bro, stop! Oh my goodness! Wait, what's this? Okay. Bro, Granny, come here! Bro, she's low. Let's see. Bro, what the hell? Let's see and now. Bro, this one is locked because it's made out of oh. She won't come here. Good. Let's go continue. Let's do like this. No! Stop. Don't Wow, what a cool game. Okay. What's this? We need. Oh, we need a screwdriver. Oh my goodness. Don't come here. Don't sneak at me or else. I'm gonna uninstall. I'm just going to review this one. Wait. Oh, don't sneak on me. Just, let's close the door, but I can't. That's too scary. Let's this is, oops. I made a mistake. Turn on. Oh my goodness, I made a mistake. What the hell? Wow, this car is pink. Oh my god. Is she come in, garage? No? Got to be kidding me. Got to be kidding me. Oh, what's this? What's this? Is that part of a shotgun? Oh, it's a part of shotgun. Is she come into garage, please? Don't sneak. She can't, bro. Are you kidding me? I'm supposed to be, Please don't. Actually gonna get scared. No. You know what I'm gonna do about this? This is too scary. What the fuck? No, because I have no enough TikTok. I don't want TikTok. It's 2026 because just is no, it's not free. Anyways.